Welcome back. In this video, we are going to distinguish between N-type and P-type semiconductor. We know that there are two types of extrinsic semiconductor, N-type semiconductor and P-type semiconductor. When pentavalent impurity is added to a pure semiconductor, N-type semiconductor is formed, and trivalent impurity is added to a pure semiconductor, P-type semiconductor is formed. Therefore, the first basic difference between the N-type and P-type semiconductor is pentavalent impurity. In case of N-type of semiconductor, pentavalent impurity is required, and in case of P-type semiconductor, trivalent impurity is required. Therefore, formation of N-type semiconductor, pentavalent impurity is required, and for formation of P-type semiconductor, trivalent impurity is required. In case of N-type impurity, N-type impurity means pentavalent impurity, one electron is becomes free, so it is known as the donor impurity. This type of impurity it is known as the donor impurity. It donates one electron to the crystal, so it is known as the donor impurity. And in case of P-type semiconductor, one electron is accepted from the crystal, so it is known as the acceptor impurity. Therefore, P-type impurity it is known as the donor impurity, and N-type impurity it is called donor impurity, and P-type impurity it is called acceptor impurity. In case of N-type of semiconductor, there are large number of free electrons are available as compared to holes formed due to the thermal energy. And in case of P-type semiconductor, there are large number of holes. Large number of holes means large number of vacancy for electron treated as positive charge, and they are termed as holes. Therefore, in this case, there are large number of holes are there, and in N-type semiconductor, there are large number of free electrons are there. Therefore, when we apply the potential difference across the N-type semiconductor, majority charge carriers are electrons, and in case of P-type semiconductor, majority charge carriers are holes. In case of N-type semiconductor, minority charge carriers are holes. Holes are there also. Due to the thermal energy, some holes are there, but the number of holes as compared to electrons are very less. Therefore, they are known as the minority charge carriers in case of N-type semiconductor. In case of N-type semiconductor, minority charge carriers are holes, and in case of P-type semiconductor, minority charge carriers are electrons. For example, phosphorus is added to silicon. Phosphorus is added to silicon, N-type semiconductor is formed, and the example of the P-type semiconductor is gallium is added to silicon, then P-type semiconductor is formed. In case of N-type semiconductor, the conductivity is due to predominantly conductivity is due to free electrons, and charge on the electron is negative. Therefore, in this case, the conductivity is termed as N-type conductivity. Similarly, in case of P-type semiconductor, the conductivity is predominantly by holes, and holes behaves like a positive charge, so it is known as the P-type conductivity. In case of N-type semiconductor, conductivity is N-type. In case of P-type semiconductor, conductivity is P-type conductivity. Again, we can say that there is a higher concentration of electrons in the N-type semiconductor, and In case of p-type semiconductor, there are higher concentration of holes. These are the some important points. With the help of these points, we can distinguish n-type semiconductor and p-type semiconductor. Say once again, pentavalent impurity, trivalent impurity. In n-type semiconductor, pentavalent impurity is there. In p-type semiconductor, trivalent impurity is there. It is known as the donor impurity. It is known as the acceptor impurity. There are large number of free electrons. There are large number of holes. Majority charge carriers are electrons. Majority charge carriers are holes. Minority charge carriers are holes. Minority charge carriers are electrons. Example, phosphorus is added to silicon. Example, gallium is added to silicon. In n-type semiconductor, n-type of conductivity is there. In p-type semiconductor, p-type conductivity is there. In n-type, higher concentration of electrons, and in p-type, higher concentration of holes. Thank you.